Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Ninja AMZ493BRN Compact Kitchen System with Auto-iQ, Blender Food Processor Combo. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include 3-in-1 versatility, blender, ice crusher and food processor combined that utilizes 1200 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink making experience. High performance Pro extractor blades assembly powers through frozen ingredients and ice with ease. Includes a 5 Cuban pesos precision processor bowl, chopping and dough blade assembly for added versatility and functionality. On-the-go convenience, blend directly in the 18 ounces single-serve cup and attach spout lid to take your creations on the go. Intelligent blending programs, 3 Auto-iQ programs, smoothie, frozen, dough/mix. Auto-iQ technology features timed, intelligent blending programs that do the work for you, no guesswork required. Recipe inspiration, includes 15 recipe inspiration guide to help create delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean and dishwasher safe parts. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.